It's proving to be a new and inspiring way to teach autistic children using music. It's a life-changing experience for the families who are involved, and we'll meet one of them coming up. Yeah. Well, our next guest began his career as a music teacher the traditional way, but everything changed the day he was asked to give lessons to an 8-year-old boy who was blind. And so the Simply Music program was born.
Since then, the program has helped countless kids with different challenges and disabilities and has found significant success with autistic children. Joining us this morning is program founder Neil Moore, along with the Simply Music parent, Michelle Davis. Welcome.
Welcome, you two.
Thank you.
Now, Neil, how exactly are you helping children with disabilities?
Well, it's been a discovery. We've found that this program is so non-traditional and students are so directly and immediately connected to the instrument that it activates the brain in a new way. And whilst I don't fully understand exactly the science behind why it works, what we're seeing is that people's experience and how it impacts their children's lives in many, many ways. And talking across the board with Alzheimer's patients, learning disabilities, autism, Tourette's syndrome, we're just discovering that this is really getting to the core and giving children access to musical self-expression immediately.
Tell us a little bit about the method and how it was created.
Yeah, well, look, firstly, most music education, anywhere where piano is taught, primarily we use a reading-based approach where you have to learn how to read music, and your ability to read music dictates your ability to play. Well, you know, that's not something that I stand behind. I think that's as bizarre as insisting that children learn to read and spell as a means of learning how to speak. We'd never do that. We first of all
when you put it that way,
we acquire language and then we bring the symbols to it. And so what happens with this program is we delay music reading and we distill music into what I call shapes and patterns that you can see and immediately connect with on the instrument. And because you've got this direct, intimate relationship with the instrument itself, it brings immediate musicianship. And I don't mean, you know, One Finger Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'm talking about contemporary, classical, gospel, blues, ballads, arrangements, accompaniments, immediate access to playing fantastic sounding music.
Wow. Now, Michelle, you have a child that's involved with the Simply Music program,
yes,
correct?
We do.
What was your experience?
You know, it's been phenomenal. Our son is 8, going into 3rd grade, and the wonderful thing about the tools that we've learned with the Simply Music program is that we're translating it into our school, which is wonderful. Some of the mnemonic devices that we've learned in the program transfer into some of the math skills, multiplication, addition, so we're easily transferring those. The other great thing about the program is the memory skills that have been fine-tuned in the program helps our son with reading comprehension. So he's able to read in front of his peers with more assertiveness, and he's able to recall some of the stories. We've been in the program for about 1.5 years, and it's just been phenomenal.
So you've seen a difference.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Absolutely.
And you've found particular success with children who deal with autism and Tourette's.
Yes.
Why is that, and how is that?
Well, from what we understand, it's not uncommon for, say, a child that has Tourette's, if they can get to a place where they can deeply immerse themselves in any form of expression, it's quite common for them to be freed somewhat from the impact of their Tourette's. And I think with this program, what we find commonly occurring is that children who otherwise are having tics occurring every 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and go through an entire day trying to deal with the impact of having to manage their ticking, when they're in this particular program, they can get to a place where they immediately have this vast ability to express a huge repertoire of music, and they can sit at the piano for long periods of time and have no experience of their Tourette's at all. No experience of it. It's just not there.
And like you said, I bet there are so many other benefits, like a greater level of self-confidence and just feeling better about being around your peers.
Absolutely, and I think that one of the biggest benefits for us, I was a little bit concerned about how long he was going to be actually able to sit at the piano. Well, that's translated. We've been in the program about 1.5 years. Now he's at 35 minutes, and that's translated into sitting at home doing our homework for a good 35 minutes, but without having the struggles of a parent and the child doing the homework. So it's been phenomenal.
Sharpened his focus.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And does he love it?
He absolutely enjoys it, and he's even doing his own composing now, which for a 2nd grader, you know, we'll take
That's
that.
impressive.
That's pretty good, yeah. Jeez.
In fact, this weekend the Autism Speaks has a series of Walk for Autism events, and on June 6th we have one of our Simply Music students who's opening the event with her composition. So it's really an extraordinary accomplishment. So pretty exciting about that.
Simply Music. Thank you both so much for being here and sharing your
Truly my
story.
pleasure. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
Appreciate it.